Hello all, it's Ty with WTI, and if you want to be a happy camper, this AXIDI pump is just what you've been looking for. It's great for inflatables, whether you're at the beach or camping, and it comes with different sizes of ends. And what is great about this is that you don't need to carry with you batteries anymore, because this you can charge easily from any USB port. So you can even charge this at the car when you take it with you. You just plug it in and then you have source of inflation power. So it comes with this little cable, you plug it in, then now I have the end that is for smaller vents. And this is how the sound of it is. And don't be terrified when you're actually using this on a big inflatable mattress, because the fuller the mattress becomes, the bigger the sound that this makes will be. And I like that this came with these different ends, because you have exactly what you need for different uses. This AXIDI pump is super convenient for all the happy campers out there. And that is my point of view.